Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Your life, your journey, a lifestyle that fits for you. And in today's video, guys, we're going to declutter, clean, and organize my storage unit that I have outside on my patio. It is not a large area, but y'all, when I tell you I have it stuffed to capacity, it is stuffed to capacity. So here we go, y'all. Yeah. All right, you guys, that concludes today's video. It looks so much better in here. Oh my goodness, it looks so much better in here. I got rid of a lot of things that I didn't need, so I like the way it looks. But as I was doing the project, I was thinking about how I can maximize on organizing and using the space. So I think I'm going to purchase a 5-tier narrow size standing unit, and also possibly put some shelving units in here, because I'll be able to maximize on organizing more items if I was to install those shelving units and get me a 5-tier organizing stand. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So if you guys have small storage areas like this, comment below and let me know what are some of your organizing ideas. I would love to know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.